So this is what you are going to do. So when you enter into your Bybit account like this, Bybit is very, very good to use. I recommend Bybit than Binance. Okay, yeah, I recommend it than Binance. So if you're transferring the money from your mobile money account, whether being Telecel, MTN, or whatever money account that you want to, when you open the interface like this, all you have to do is to come to, where's my, good. So you come to somewhere like this, okay, there, oh, sorry. Somewhere like this, okay, that is where you're going to come, this one. Come to somewhere like this. I need to correct something good, pointer is good. So you come to P2P. Okay, let me click on P2P for you to get understanding. You come to P2P and then P2P over here. P2P over here. There are a lot of agents. There are a lot of agents over here. But what you have to check is this. Let me do this for you to get much understanding. First of all, you have to check for the rate over here. This is 11 cities. This 11 cities. You know, check the difference. This is 61, 11.61, 11.60, 11.51. And then the limit is very important. Okay, the limit is 11 cedis, 59 pesos, okay, to 50 cedis. Okay, and the person also accepts what is called MTN Momo and then Momo itself. Now the Momo itself, we have Momo like someone will be just ask you to do something like allow cash out. Okay, that is what I'm trying to mean by the Momo. They will say allow cash out. Then you allow the cash out on your phone and then the agent will withdraw it. It's very, very simple. So this, let me go and choose one of the best people I do recommend mostly. I have agents I've been having transaction with them. If they are not available online, I don't recommend them, any of them. Okay. Yeah. They are very good. Especially one is this Trinity. One is Trinity. I'm not going to. One is Trinity, but you have to check the price range. You know, the reason why I didn't choose this one is the price limit over here. Check the price limit over here, 500 cedis. I'm not using that. Okay, so let's go. But if you have some, amount which is about 500 cedis, you can just do it. And then what is very, very important is check if the agent is online or offline. You know, this one is online. When it is green, it means the agent is online. When it is like this, the agent is offline. That is what I do recommend mostly. Now, this one, I got BTC is offline. I do a lot of transaction with him. He's offline. And let's try another one and see. I have different people over here. Anytime, some of them are available anytime. I don't do this. Some of them, the reason why I don't select any agent just like that is that some can make the transaction and then your money will not come. Yeah. Some are not real. They're not real niggas. So, Royal House, Trinity is 200 cities. This one is 200. This one is, I haven't made transaction with him. Let me see. I think I found one over here. Where is he? Good. Where Rema House. This one is the one I'm talking about. This guy is very, very good. Rema House is very, very good. He support MTN Momo and Vodafone Cash. Okay. Support MTN Momo and Vodafone Cash. You see, he is verified. That is why I like making transaction with him. He's verified. Okay. He's verified. He has a golden, you can see the golden thing over here. This one is what I'm talking about. You can see it over there. And then he is also verified. So that is what I was talking about. So you choose to price has changed. Okay. Still, you can still choose him. Price has changed, but you can still choose him. Then if you want to sell to, you come here and then you choose. Okay, he also makes sales over here. Okay, that's what I'm trying to mean over here. So you come here, buy, and then you type the amount of money, which is, this one is the fiat, the cities. Maybe the range is 200 cities. Don't forget, to 400 cities. So it depends on you, the amount of money that you have. And then you come to the cash over here. It says Vodafone Cash. Vodafone Cash. You need to read the terms over here, the information they provide over here. Am I using this one? Sorry. The information they provide over here. Okay. It says only MTN number subscribers should drop their number and allow cash out. So if you're MTN subscriber, you're using to MTN, you have to drop your number and allow cash out. Then you come here, you type the amount of money that you want to, let's say 200 cities. Okay, you're going to receive this amount of USDT. This amount of USDT is what you're going to receive. Good. Then you click on buy. I'm not going to buy it, but I'm clicking on buy. Then after you click on buy, there's here this place. This place says contact seller. So you are going to chat with the seller. That is what you are going to, it says processing. Okay, so you need to read the information over here. Okay, then you type your number to the person. Your number to the person. If you are MTN, seller, you have to type your number to the person. Okay. Sometimes so they will provide you. It says process, so you can just say telecell, and then you go with the till number, which is over here. The till number is over here. Then you're good to go. Hope you understand what I'm trying to mean. Good. Now let me cancel the order because I'm not going to make order. So I've cancelled the order. Okay, order have been cancelled. Okay, hope you understand what I'm trying to mean. So this is a short video for you. It's the same process as sell. Okay, this is the same process as sell. So that one, you made a deposit from your mobile money account to your Bybit account over here. Then you're good to go. Simple. If you don't understand anything, you can just draw my attention. Thank you.